So I've got this CAD model of a Lego over here. So all we're going to do is we're going to create a two-part mold, and it's going to be made via injection molding. So for the purposes of this video, and because my computer is slow, I'm just going to focus on the bottom half of the mold. So this is what I have. Turn this off, switch that on. So I've got the negative cavity in there of the Lego part. So that'll be the bottom half, and the top half is on there as well. Now there's quite a lot of stuff that's missing on this mold, like a runner system and where the coolant pipes are supposed to go through. But just for the purpose of this video, I just want to focus on the cavity and getting that machined. Okay, so there we go. So on here we've got our M12 tapped holes, and to locate them I'm going to have 10mm H7 bores for the location. Okay, and then I'm going to go here into manufacture. So the first op, this is what we're going to have. Let me just simulate this. Let's slow that down a little bit. Okay, so for my stock material, I'm also going to, no, I'm getting ahead of myself here now. Let's go back into model. I've done a draft analysis as well. I think I've got about 1.8 degrees of draft. So that's just to allow for the shrinkage, and we'll be able to get the part out of the mold after injection molding. But I don't think I've got it perfect. Also, what I can do afterwards. Okay, let's go back into manufacture. So we're going to machine this. Let's just simulate what I have. Okay, so I'm going to face that, and then I'm just going to profile around it, and I'm using a 2D adaptive in Fusion 360 just to get rid of as much material as I can in the cavities. And yeah, that's all it's doing, is just roughing inside. And that's a, yeah, it should be a 4mm end mill roughing, and I've got a 3mm end mill doing a semi-finish, 2mm end mill, that's just gonna finish everything in there. And what size was that? I think that's a 4mm end mill that just finishes that core there. And then for the second op, I'd modeled my my stock. Let's see. Yeah, so that's the stock that we're gonna have in the second op. Okay, let me turn that off. Okay, I'm hoping my computer doesn't crash. Okay, right, so for the second op, we're just going to face it, spot drill, and I've got a 9.8 drill going in there, and we're going to ream the holes because we need quite, I'm guessing we need a tight fit on there. And I'm actually going to stop it here because my computer is starting to slow down. So for the tapped holes, that's an M12 6H, so I would use a 10.3 drill, and then I'd finish it off with an M12 tap, and then obviously just chamfer that. but I'm feeling my computer is gonna freeze, so I'm just gonna stop it on there. Okay. If you have any questions on this, just let me know. Thank you.